So in today's world, stress is a very common term. Stress could either aggravate you, make you furious, or it could slump you down and make you feel sad. This was something that I personally was going through, where the stress was causing me to fall down back in life, and it was making me extremely sad and depressing. That's when I came across ABC, that is ABC of Emotional Intelligence. Hi, I am Shilpa. I'm a working professional. I work as a software engineer. So with software engineering comes a lot of stress, a lot of confusions, a lot of dilemma. And doing ABC has really helped me figure out my emotions. It has helped me balance my emotion. It's increased my awareness about my actions, my behavior, how I coordinate with my surroundings. So if this is something that you are looking for, and if you want to reduce your stress and have a well-balanced life, then ABC is the place for you.